guys, it's Regina from Pamper Soaps back again with another quick video. This one is just a quick packing video. I've had some questions of how we package our products. So these are our bags that we use for small orders, and this is just some shred. So I'm going to move this out the way. And I got some rose petals that I always put in my orders because I'm such a girl like that. All right, so let me do this. A little tissue paper. And this I just fold over. This is a gift, so I'm gonna just wrap it. And I already have my tape prepared to make it a little easy for me. Okay. And I try to keep it simple. It's nothing that's gonna break. There's not a candle or anything, so you don't have to worry about this breaking on me or anything. Okay. And we are gonna just tape that. And I need more tape. One more. Fold this one up. And one more tape on there for that. Normally I would put like thank you stickers on here, but because this is a gift, I won't do that. So I'm just gonna stick it in our bag with the gift card that I printed out. So they can see it. Then I will put just a little bit of shred. This is one small little thing, so it doesn't need much. And I'll show you guys what the inside looks like in a moment. And then I put the little rose petals on top. I know some people might say this is a bit much, but I think branding is important. I think doing little special things like this with each gift or each order is important. So that's what it looks like in the inside, if you guys can see. All right. Then we're just going to take this off, if it doesn't stick to me. And this one was a quick video, but I just wanted you guys to see how we do our orders. Depending on the size of it, we'll either use our bags or our boxes. I'll do another video with our boxes so you'll get to see the bigger orders. But that's what it looks like before I put the label on it.